frozen raw beef arrives under strict temperature control to begin the patty making process. Before unloading begins, dock conditions and cold chain integrity are carefully verified.
Each pallet is temperature checked to confirm safe handling conditions before unloading.
Approved pallets are carefully unloaded and transferred into the controlled receiving area. Incoming raw meat is staged in a chilled zone to preserve quality before inspection.
Each batch is logged and traced to ensure full accountability throughout production.
Representative samples are taken to confirm raw material quality and safety. After inspection, pallets are resealed to protect the meat until processing begins. Approved raw meat is moved into cold storage to await scheduled production. Pallets are stored in organized racks to maintain traceability and temperature stability.
Inventory scans confirm location and readiness for the next production stage.
Once scheduled, raw meat is released from storage for controlled processing. Scheduled pallets are retrieved from storage and prepared for controlled thawing. Frozen meat is moved into a controlled zone where thawing can begin safely. Thawing begins in a controlled environment to protect meat quality and safety. Environmental conditions are constantly monitored to ensure uniform and safe thawing.
Technicians verify internal temperatures to confirm thawing is progressing correctly.
When thawing is complete, the meat is cleared for primary processing.
Once thawed, protective wrapping is removed to prepare the meat for processing.
Each block is visually inspected to confirm it meets processing standards.
Prepared meat blocks are fed into the grinding line to begin size reduction.
The primary grinder reduces large meat blocks into manageable portions for further processing.
After grinding, the meat exits in a coarse form, ready for blending and refinement.
The ground meat is conveyed directly into blending equipment for uniform mixing.
Load sensors ensure the correct meat volume before blending begins.
The blender gently mixes the meat to achieve consistent texture and composition.
Slow, controlled mixing ensures even distribution without damaging the meat structure.
Samples are taken mid-cycle to verify texture and blend consistency.
Visual checks confirm the blend meets texture and appearance standards.
Blended meat is released and directed towards secondary grinding for final texture control.
The secondary grinder refines the blend to achieve the final patty texture.
Fine grinding creates the smooth, consistent texture required for burger patties.
The refined meat is delivered to automated equipment that shapes each patty. Before forming begins, the machine is calibrated for precise patty size and weight.
The forming machine presses the meat into consistent patties with precise control.
Integrated sensors confirm each patty meets exact weight specifications. Out-of-tolerance patties are automatically removed to maintain quality standards.
Approved patties are aligned and spaced for efficient freezing. The patties enter a rapid freezing tunnel to lock in shape and freshness.
High-speed cold air rapidly freezes each patty to preserve structure and quality.
Core temperatures are stabilized mid-tunnel to ensure complete and even freezing. The final freezing stage fully hardens each patty for safe handling and storage. After freezing, patties exit the tunnel, ready for final inspection and packaging. Frozen patties are visually inspected to confirm shape and surface integrity. Metal detection systems screen every patty to ensure product safety. Rejection systems stand ready to remove any contaminated product instantly. Automated counters ensure accurate quantities before packaging begins. Frozen patties are transferred smoothly to the packaging line for final processing.
Automated systems group frozen patties into precise stacks for packaging. Before wrapping, patty stacks are precisely aligned to protect shape and consistency.
The first layer of packaging seals each patty stack to protect it from air exposure.
Cooling and inspection ensure each package is tightly sealed and secure.
The sealed stacks advance to a secondary wrapping stage for added protection. A secondary overwrap adds durability and protection during handling and transport.
Each package is coded with essential information for traceability and storage.
Vision systems verify that every printed code is clear and readable.
Finished packs are directed toward case packing for bulk handling and storage.
Robotic systems load finished packs into cartons with speed and precision. Check weighers confirm that each carton contains the correct quantity of product. Rejection systems stand by to remove any carton that falls outside specifications.
Automated equipment folds carton flaps to prepare each case for sealing.
Each carton is securely sealed to protect the frozen product during handling. Seal checks verify that every carton is fully closed and secure. Logistics labels are applied so cartons can be tracked through cold storage and distribution. Sorted cartons are routed to specific cold storage zones for efficient handling. Cartons are precisely aligned to prepare them for automated pallet stacking.
Robotic palletizers stack cartons efficiently and consistently for safe transport.
Height checks confirm each pallet meets storage and transport requirements.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes each pallet for safe handling and cold storage.
Once wrapped, the film is sealed and cut to lock the pallet securely in place. Each pallet is labeled for identification and tracking through cold storage and shipping. Wrapped pallets are transferred into frozen storage until they are ready for distribution. Automated systems place pallets precisely into frozen storage locations. Storage conditions are continuously monitored to protect product quality over time. When an order is placed, selected pallets are released for outbound distribution. Released pallets are automatically retrieved from frozen storage for shipment preparation. The pallet is transferred to outbound staging, where shipment preparation continues. Outbound pallets are staged and queued to match scheduled shipment times. Final documentation checks confirm each pallet is cleared for outbound shipment. The loading bay and trailer are pre-chilled to maintain the frozen cold chain. Frozen pallets are conveyed directly to the dock to minimize temperature exposure. The pallet is loaded directly into a refrigerated trailer to preserve the frozen state. Inside the trailer, pallets are secured to prevent shifting during transit. Once loaded, the trailer is sealed to maintain the frozen cold chain. The frozen shipment departs the facility under continuous temperature control.
During transport, refrigeration systems maintain frozen temperatures at all times.
The shipment arrives at a regional cold warehouse for final distribution. Dock sealing equalizes temperatures before unloading to protect the frozen cargo. Pallets are unloaded into the distribution warehouse while maintaining frozen conditions. Each inbound pallet is verified and released for distribution within the warehouse.
Pallets are broken down, so cartons can be distributed to individual store orders. Cartons are automatically sorted to match individual retail store destinations.
Cartons are consolidated into complete orders for individual retail stores. Store-level orders are palletized separately for efficient retail delivery.
Store pallets are wrapped to secure cartons for final delivery.
Each store pallet is labeled and assigned to a specific delivery route.
Store pallets are staged at the dock according to their delivery schedule.
The store pallet is loaded into a refrigerated delivery truck for final transport. The pallet is secured inside the truck to ensure safe, stable delivery.
The delivery truck is sealed to maintain frozen temperatures until it reaches the store.
The delivery truck departs for the retail location under continuous cold chain control.
In-transit monitoring ensures frozen temperatures are maintained all the way to the store. The refrigerated truck arrives at the retail store dock for final delivery. Dock sealing preserves frozen conditions as the truck is opened for unloading. The frozen pallet is unloaded directly into the store's cold receiving area. The store verifies each pallet before it enters on-site cold storage. The pallet is transferred into the store freezer to await shelf stocking. At the store, pallets are broken down so cartons can be stocked efficiently. Cartons are opened and inner packs are removed for final stocking preparation. Frozen packs are delivered directly to the freezer aisle for shelf stocking. Automated systems place frozen patties neatly onto freezer shelves for shoppers.
Shelves are aligned so every package is clearly visible and easy to access.
Freezer temperatures are confirmed to keep products safely frozen for customers. The store inventory system updates to reflect products now available for sale.
The product is now fully stocked and ready for customers.
Automated maintenance systems keep the freezer running efficiently. The cold chain has been maintained from production to retail shelf. Each pack remains frozen, sealed, and protected until purchase.
The product is now available for consumers at retail.
From raw meat to frozen patties, the process is complete.